pang linggoy na gagawin kay Mateo. Natin yung put dito lang here. Thank you. Okay, let's see kung nice pa rin dito ni Mateo. Nice pa rin ba? Ha?
Meron po. Sa taas, may block na siya. Okay.
Okay, Mateo, let's use water na ha. This is for big boy. Say, big boy ka na. Last time I saw you, very small ka pa. I'll show it to you. It's just water, okay? Titika lang natin like this. Okay? Very good. So, ate will just, okay? Ate will just remove the water inside ha.
Ever you're stranded on a chunk of ice? Just yell for help.
Ready? Let's go!
Ryder?
Last one is para the water will stay.
Open your mouth.
Okay na, water lang. Teka natin ang cheese na
Eat burnout, so we need your help to stop. But before we can stop the ATV, we'll have to get Alex off safely. So for this mission, I'll need Sky. Let's take to the sky. On patrol is on a roll. Ryder, I can't pick up Alex yet. Too many trees are in the way. What are we gonna do? What if we meet you halfway? Have to catch fire. It's time for maximum speed. Sorry, Punch. This might be it for lost the steering control. We need to slow this ATV down. Jeez, let's try to drive you. Great idea, Ryder. I'm on it. Whoa! I can't get any closer. I've got one shot. Steady. Now, press the right shoot. Watch me, what? It's working. I'm slowing down. You're all set. Good pup. Not every day has to be rescued by my own team. If you ever wind up riding an out-of-control rocket,
Okay
all
lang
you
po.
have to do is yell for help. Paw Patrol, ready for action ride. Sir, Pup, there's a big hairy monkey in town.
Ayan, Dok, hindi na siya talaga
Must have hitched a ride with us from the jungle. We better get him home before he causes more monkey trouble. So for this mission, I'll need Buck. You'll use your claw to blow bananas onto your catapult. Then you'll fire a trail of them to lure the monkey back to the Paw Patroller. Traffic, roll load the catapult onto a wagon, which will need you to pull up the Jeep. Alright, Paw Patrol is on a roll.
Ryder, that big monkey just chased away my customers.
I have a plan. Tracker, grab that fruit before it's all gobbled up. Cable! Claw!
Brush lang natin kayo yung mga... Ito lang. Kasi baka nalimutan ka ni. Ito lang Mateo.
Going after the banana. Oh, he wants his back scratched with the best back scratcher ever. No
Okay?
problem.
Okay? Smile.
You okay?
Naka-open na po agad yung mouth
Ready
niya.
to just
Like that po. Smile lang. Ayan.
Ryder, the big monkey is at the lookout. He's taking Rocky up to the roof. How you doing up there, Rocky? I'm okay. Zuma, I have an idea. Move the periscope up and down. Okay. I'll dive down, up, then down again. Yes. Sky, touch three big hairy down.
Pang
Parang-
pasta to. For pasta to.
I can put all the rocks back when we leave,
Ang
Ryder.
purple.
Good thinking,
Haluan niyo ba ako sa
We don't
sticks
want
na?
to change the curve.
Dito na lang.
Di ba?
Para isang ano na lang.
Ngayon na ba? Gusto niyo ngayon?
Paano po ba yung process? Parang sa matanda lang.
Parang sa
parang.
Mas mabilis lang yun. Kasi syempre, hindi pwede mas matagal tayo pagbasa eh. Okay, Mateo, please natin have a time cavity, okay? You just need to make it white. You have a black and there. Okay, you just need to clean the black and then cover it with white. Okay? Ganito yung moist ha. This is what I'm just putting here. Keep it there. Like this. Like that.
Medyo
Okay?
mas malakas na.
Okay? Let's try ha.
Don't move tayo ha.
Let's
Dito.
tie down a bit. I need you to open big ha kasi I need to see it very well.
No problem, Mayor. Whenever you're
Open your mouth big.
yell for help. This is my favorite comic. Puppinator. Let's pretend we're Puppinator.
Pero pagka 7 years old po ba yung natatanggal yung mga
Yung bagang na to,
ibang kit? Temple.
Matagal pa. Or parang si Mateo.
Parang may palabas po siyang kit or ano lang po yun? Parang formation lang po.
Nilalabas dito.
Gives into the princess.
Okay? There's 6 pa. Mga 5.5 to 6 usually.
I need you to put all the pieces back together with your music truck. Green beans, go! All right.
Napastahan ka naman na siguro.
Yes po.
Alam mo yung ano.
I hope this armor turns out okay.
Open big ha. Very big. Gusto ko parang dinosaur Mateo. Para you can yan. Hindi mo isi lang na isang water. What? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Good job, ang bait. Let's see kung gaano kalaking butas. Malaki naman.
Malaki na po. Hindi na mapansin ko kasi nasa sulok
Let's
siya.
spray it with water lang. Let's remove the bad smell, no? That's the bulok.
May bulok ka na pang
Bulok.
Isa lang naman po,
Isa lang.
dyan lang. Sa taas.
Okay. Wait lang natin sa atin. You can close it muna. Rest ka muna. Rest ka muna. Ay.
Whenever you need us,
Close it muna. When I tell you to open, okay ha. Close mo muna.
Paw Patrol, ready for action.
Okay, very good.
These animals out for fun. Now
Gano'ng katagal po naglalas yung pasta ng bata?
Depende ma'am ha. Sa pag-iingat din. Nag-aalaga.
Judy is her megaphone
Usually,
and
it's supposed to last hanggang mga around 10 siya.
I need Judy is the ring to the safe area of the animals. Paw Patrol is on
Sa dulo
hold.
kasi minsan sa of course, lumalambot yung balik ng pasta na tatapin. Minsan lang. Kaya ingat lang, alagaan nyo lang. Next time, foreigner na ang pasta sa'yo.
Great work, guys. Not a moment too soon.
Medyo matagal na po yung ano
Kailan na
eh.
babalik yung flavor?
Baka after 4 or 5 years na yun.
They're following the path, but they're not slowing down. I've got this, Ryder. Stop. In the name.
Yung sa pang-adult po, every Saturday lang po, tsaka Monday.
Hey, it worked. All right, Rebel. Move some more hay bales to close the
I need
animals.
to put this open ha, kasi bawal mabasa yung food. Wait, open dito.
Open di kayo.
Ay, ang dami tawel. Pati ba? Ayun na.
Ilaw.
Pwede na kayo distributor yan. Pwede po. Lutukin yan.
Kaya it's okay lang na kayo mo na lang.
Ayun na yan. It's just water. Clean water yan.
Inipon niyo po yung laway.
Grabe.
It's okay. She loves to swim.
Ang dami pa.
She's told me what happened. Thanks for rounding up my animals. It's okay.
Sobra.
Just yell for
Like,
help.
Very good. Open wide kayo.
Diet ha. Dalawa, sobrang dami. Air lang to ha, air lang. Simple.
Order of whoever held the golden statue of Lupo. Fascinating and sensationally shiny.
That's no jewel. It's the meteor that gave me. That statue's moving. Did you just listen to me? Bring me that treasure chest of gold. I can control them. Now I have a whole crew to take shiny stuff for me. Okay, Mighty Pups, we're going to lure the ladybird out of the museum with the biggest, shiniest statue she's ever seen and take back the golden Lupo statue. But we don't have a bigger, shinier statue. We will, and you'll see when we fly out to the desert in the Mighty Jet. Now here's the rest of the plan. How hard is it to find one giant jewel encrusted statue? It's so giant, so shiny. Carry the statue.
Okay, light lang to Mateo ha. Very good.
Gotcha, ladybird. What? You're not a statue. Nope, I'm a mighty pup. And the golden statue
Grabe
is
na.
not yours.
Hindi na ubos. Hindi mo ubos.
Hindi niyo po talaga nilalagay.
You're welcome. Whenever your statues
Ayaw
fall
mo.
off, just yell for help.
Laway na to eh. Hindi na to water eh. Hindi na yung laway.
Tina wound up on Jake's mountain. We need to get her down before the blizzard gets worse. Oh no, that's not good. So for this mission, I'll need Everest
Very good.
ice or snow.
Well done.
Ready to go. And sky. Let's take to the sky. All right, Paw Patrol is on
Nandito
the
dito pa ba
road.
ito?
Nagninot pa to. Pero hindi naman po yung chupon. Yung sinisip na lang.
Hindi na sa bote.
Hindi na po.
Ah, big good.
Ano po, morning and night po. Tapos nagtututbrush po siya after niya mag-milk.
Too strong. Standing down. But we need to do something fast. The Tina looks scared.
Saan kayo sa US?
Sa Las Vegas po doon.
Wow, Vegas boy.
Too bad cows can't snowboard, huh, Ryder? That's such a great idea.
Ready na si Mateo.
How can I help, Ryder?
Buong family ka rin.
Awesome building
Ah,
skills
ako lang.
make
Kami lang
cows
pong dalawa.
snowboard super fast. Green meat, go! You're gonna do great. Okay, Bettina, time to move.
Okay. Rosa, you can spit here. Spit ka na lang, laway.
Tayo, spit your laway dahil
Ayaw.
doon, no? Spit mo dyan, like,
Laway mo na
like it, oh.
Ayaw. Ayaw mo na lang kasi. That's yours. Wala na food yan.
Say thank you. Say thank you po.
Spit it na para you can talk.